Hi you guys, good morning. I am currently just rolling out my face. Today is going to be a very fun vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys through my healthy routine. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys like what I eat, my workout routine, kind of just taking you through like a really healthy day of everything that I've been doing to get back in shape. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably would have already heard me talk about this, but definitely over 2020, I put on quite a bit of weight. I think I gained like 30 pounds, hello emotional eating, which is totally fine. Like weight gain is not necessarily a bad thing, but I personally don't feel my most healthy self. And I really want to get back to feeling healthy, to feeling confident and all of that. So I've been working really hard and making lots of changes in my life, from things like I said, like what I'm eating, to my workouts, to a lot of just like lifestyle changes as well. So I'm going to be taking you guys through all of that. I think I'm going to go to the grocery store today. I'll show you guys how I meal plan, how I write out, like I have a cute little calendar for my meal plan, what I like to buy at the store and everything like that. So it's going to be a really fun vlog. Okay guys, right now I am just pulling into Starbucks. I went to go make coffee this morning and I realized that I'm completely out of coffee. So we're doing a quick little Starbucks pickup. I typically don't go get Starbucks. Like I'm really good about making my coffee at home. I feel like Starbucks is just one of those like unnecessarily expensive things you don't need to be buying when you can make it at home. But your girl has got to have her coffee today. I cannot go without my coffee, and I really don't feel like going to the store at like 7:45 in the morning. So here we are. Hi, can I please have a venti cold brew with cinnamon almond milk foam?
All right. 467.
Thank you. Okay, got the Starbucks, and very exciting thing about Starbucks is that they now actually offer, or at least the one that I go to, they have paper straws, which I am so here for and very happy about. If you guys didn't hear what I just got a venti cold brew with cinnamon almond milk foam, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla with a light ice. It is delicious. It's not on their menu anymore, she said, but if you know how to order it, it's really good. All right, you guys, I just got home and I just have on my little activewear set. I got this one off of Amazon and I have the gray one, and I think, do I have another color? No, I think I just have the gray one in this one, and it's really cute. I really like it, but it is definitely not squat proof. So if you're gonna be wearing it like at home or something, I mean, go for it. Like it's really cute, really comfy. But I would never wear this out in public because like, I mean, you can, I'm not gonna show you guys, but you can like totally see through, like it's see-through. Anyways, I'm just about to do my workout, and I know so many of you guys have been asking for my workout routine, what I've been doing, all of that good stuff. So I really wanted to include that in this video, which brings me to the sponsor of today's video, Delta Trainer. I've been using Delta Trainer, and you guys, the changes I have seen in my body, I will put up a before and after picture here. My body is not where I want it to be yet. I'm still working to where I feel most confident with myself. But oh my gosh, like the changes I have seen has been absolutely phenomenal. So a Delta Trainer, if you guys don't know what it is a personal training service that through an app connects you with a personal trainer. So when you first sign up, you have an onboarding call with your trainer. My trainer's name is Nicole. She's amazing. She's super sweet. And I had the opportunity to talk with her all about my goals, where I'm at, what I'm kind of looking to do.
What has worked for you? What hasn't been working for you?
So right now, obviously I'm combining it with like a caloric deficit, but I've really been doing a lot of HIIT workouts, and those have definitely been helping.
I'm super excited to work with you. I love that you're into like high intensity stuff, because that's like also me. And so I feel like it's going to be really fun to program for you and just like get you into some like strength training, HIIT stuff. That's going to be fun for me.
Yeah, I'm really excited. So we talked all about that so that she's able to create the best workout plan for me. One thing I really wanted to work on with a personal trainer is building muscle, because I've always been like, I feel like I can put together pretty good workouts, but I wasn't seeing the muscle growth, and I was doing a lot of like cardio, like just walking on the treadmill, and like all of the muscles I was trying to target, I just wasn't targeting correctly because I didn't really have that knowledge. And being able to use Delta Trainer and have my own personal trainer seriously changed the game. I am so happy with it and absolutely love it. So the way Delta Trainer works is that you download the app on your phone and your Apple Watch, and then it connects you to your personal trainer, and with that you're able to see all of your workout. It tracks your reps, it tracks your heart rate, your strain, it shows you how to do the exercises. So if there's like a new exercise you don't know how to do, it has a video to show you exactly how to do it. Another really cool thing about it is that, let's say you're doing kettlebell swings and your arms swing too high, or they're not going low enough at the bottom, or you're not squatting deep enough, your trainer will actually let you know in that moment, hey, make sure that you raise your arms higher, hey, make sure you squat a little lower in this kettlebell swing. So if this is something that you guys might be interested in, if you click my link within 2 weeks of this video upload, you guys can actually get a personal trainer for 40% off for forever. So that's only gonna be $59 a month versus $100 a month. And you'll also get a 14-day free trial, so you guys can try it out and see how you like it, which I promise you will love it. So I'll have all of that linked down below, and thank you again, Delta Trainer, for sponsoring this video. All right, you guys, just made a little berry smoothie. If you guys want to see how I make this, what I put in it, you guys can go watch either my what I eat in a week. You can watch the last vlog that I posted. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink this, and then I also need to take my vitamin. Quickly, I just wanted to run through my vitamin routine because this is a huge part of my health routine. So if you guys have already seen this or you don't really care, feel free to skip through, but I just wanted to run through it really quickly. So the first thing I take are my Ritual Essential for Women vitamins. Is the multivitamin. Absolutely love these. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I've been working with Ritual for a while, and I absolutely love them. And then I also take these seed pre and probiotics. I really like them because they're a pre and a probiotic. Typically you just find probiotics, so I absolutely love these. I've noticed such a difference in like my gut health, and there's just so many benefits to taking a good pre and probiotic, which you guys can just Google. It's a really long list, so I'm not going to list them all off, but really important to get a good pre and probiotic. And then I also take some B complex. This is just a liquid fast absorbing one. And then these are my Lifeline right here, these calm gummies. I'm not at all saying that these are a cure for anxiety, but you guys, these have literally like made my anxiety go away by like 85%. They're basically just magnesium gummies, which, fun fact, like 75% of Americans, I think it is, has a magnesium deficiency, and a magnesium deficiency can cause a lot of anxiety and problems like that. So if you're not getting magnesium, you guys need to start taking magnesium. Of course, check with your doctor. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm just sharing with you guys what all works well for me, but that is everything that I'm gonna go ahead and take with my breakfast. All right, guys, it's a little bit later. I got out of the shower, I washed my hair, did like the full, like the shower, the exfoliating, the shaving, everything. I like scrubbed my tan off, so I feel really pale right now, but I like to wait a few hours before I apply self-tan after I exfoliate. Anyways, I'm about to head to the grocery store, and I thought that I would show you guys kind of how I plan my meals, how I plan what I'm going to buy. For me, I'm someone that if I don't go in the grocery store with like very specific meals I have planned, I will just buy all of the snacks, I'll buy all of the junk food, and I'll eat it all. Which is totally fine to an extent, like there's nothing wrong with junk food, but I will eat it like all in one sitting, and I will eat nothing but junk food. So for me, I personally cannot have any type of junk food in my house because it will be gone within like a few days. So for my meals, what I actually like to do is I just go on PicMonkey, and PicMonkey is a paid service, but I'm sure you guys can find other like downloadable meal plan templates, or you know, you can just like make your own on like Word or whatever it is. I know Canva has a lot of like good stuff on there for free, and I write out like Monday through Friday. I kind of leave the weekends open because a lot of the times during the weekend I'm going out to dinner with like my family or going out for like brunch with the girls, so I don't always stick to like my meal plan during the weekend, but I like to have a really good solid meal plan from Monday through Friday. Okay, so when I do mine, this is just what it kind of looks like. I keep it pretty simple. I like to have a lot of like the repeat meals, and honestly, I'm a very simplistic person when it comes to my food. I will just eat the same thing over and over again until I get tired of it. So I just have it broken down by the days of the week, and then breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And then up here, I'll update to like what week it is. Typically, this is something that I do on like the weekend. Typically, it's on Saturday or Sunday, and today's a Thursday. But this has been really helpful on my health journey, so I obviously wanted to include it in this vlog for you guys. And then for my grocery shopping, I just completely make my list off of this meal plan. I won't buy anything else. I'll just look through my fridge and kind of figure out what I need, and then make a list based off of that. That works really well for me. That way I don't have to like come up on the spot with like, oh, like what do I need for this, or what do I need for that, what do I already have. I feel like this is just like such a helpful and useful way. It really helps you to prevent from like overspending and buying like a bunch of unnecessary things as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and look through my pantries, figure out anything that I need, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. All right, you guys, just got to Target, and I have my water bottle, and I realized I haven't talked about like my water intake or anything today in this vlog, and that is a huge part of being healthy for me, staying healthy and feeling my best. So if you guys watch my vlogs, you guys probably will have already seen this water bottle. It's a 64-ounce water bottle. It's my favorite. I try to drink at least one of these a day. If it's a good day, I'll have 1.5 or 2. But I really, you guys, you need to drink your water. And I know people say that, and I was one of those people that just kind of brushed it off. A few months ago, maybe probably over like a little bit after Christmas, I really thought that I had chronic fatigue syndrome or something like majorly wrong with my body, because I just had zero energy. I was taking all of my vitamins. I was eating, you know, semi pretty healthy. Like I wasn't eating the worst diet in the world, but like something still just felt so off. Like I had genuinely no energy. Like I would wake up in the morning after like a full 9 hours of sleep and feel exhausted. So then I would lay on the couch all day, and I would get up and do something small like walk my dogs, and then I would be absolutely exhausted again, and I could never figure it out. But I got another water bottle, and it made me start drinking more water. And you guys, I am telling you, day and night difference. I was just chronically dehydrated. Like my body was probably shutting down because I never had any water whatsoever, and like nothing was functioning. My brain wasn't functioning, my organs weren't functioning, like nothing. I'm telling you guys, drink your water. You need at least 64 ounces a day minimum, okay? I know it's not always fun, but if you get like a fun big water bottle where you have all of your water intake in one place, for me personally, that helps a lot. I really don't like having to go get like a bunch of different like glasses or fill my water bottle up. I like to just have a big water bottle, have it in one place, so I know exactly how much water I've drinking, and I can like clearly see the finish line of my whole water intake for the day. So highly recommend. It's only like, I think this water bottle is like 10 bucks. So I'll link it down below if you guys want to go check it out. Highly, highly, highly recommend. If you guys do not drink your water, please, please, please start. It will make a day and night difference. I have so much energy now. I feel happy. My skin is clearing up. My body doesn't feel like it's shutting down and like I'm dying. Truly, hydration is a great thing. So drink your water, friends. Okay, just got back from Target. I'm gonna show you guys everything I got really quickly. I got 2 bottles of this cold brew because I'm out. I got some oat milk. Oat milk and coffee is so good if you guys have never had it. I also picked up this chocolate protein soy milk. I actually really like this stuff. I'm someone with like a huge sweet tooth, and this one has 20 grams of protein just in 1 cup. So it's like drinking nice chocolate milk and also getting in some protein, which I love. I grabbed some bell peppers because I'm gonna make some stuffed bell peppers later this week. I grabbed some spinach for my smoothies. I got some shredded lettuce, and then I also got pico and cilantro. It's somewhere under here, but I'm going to be making some vegan chicken tacos, which I'm very excited about. So I have all the stuff for that. And then I just got some bananas. These are like the ripest ones I could find in store, which I'm kind of sad about. And then I got some of these vegan chocolate chips because I'm going to be making some chocolate protein cookies. They're supposed to be like the Lenny and Larry's one. I don't know if you guys have ever had those, but they're so good. But these ones are supposed to be healthier. So stay tuned because I will definitely be making those in a vlog sometime. And I also got some of these plant-based chicken tenders. They just came out with these. You guys, these are phenomenal. They are like the best vegan chicken tenders I have ever had. They're really nice and like breaded. They're super high in protein. Like 2 of them are 15 grams of protein. So I really, really like these. These are what I use to like chop up in my salad and everything like that. I just stick them in the air fryer, and they are seriously the best. Go try them if you guys are a fan of like vegan meats. All right, you guys, fridge all nice and organized. The top lights on my fridge went out, and I have no clue how to like fix them, so it'll probably end up staying like that, but everything is all nice and organized. I just have like all my veggies down here. I have some apples. I have my limes and lemon down here, and then I just have like a bunch of like vegan cheeses and carrots and everything like that down there. So yeah, there you go. There's a nice little organized fridge for you guys. I know you love seeing these. For dinner, I'm keeping it really nice and simple. I am just actually heating up some leftovers. So I made this the other day, and you guys would have seen it if you watched my work day in my life as an influencer that I just posted my last vlog before this one. But it just has green and red bell peppers in it. It has corn, it has black beans, and then it has some vegan taco meat in there. And then I just pair it with some white rice and then top it off with some salsa. So before I make anything else this week, I'm gonna go ahead and just eat up my leftovers to kind of get them out of the fridge. I know a lot of people don't love leftovers, but I personally am like the biggest fan of leftovers because I don't have to do anything. I don't have to cook. I just have to pop it in the microwave, and it is good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'll check in with you guys after. All right, you guys, it is quite a bit later now. I finished dinner. I just kind of relaxed. I worked on some work that I needed to get done, and I think right now it's about 10 p.m. I don't have my phone, but it's somewhere around 10 p.m. So I'm doing my whole little like nighttime routine right now. One of the things I really like doing is drinking some tea before I go to bed. before I go to bed, I'm going to be using some of this spray just to mist on my pillow for a nice and relaxing sleep. So I just like to put that over there. This is actually a pre-pillow spray that you're supposed to put on your face, but I actually really like it on my pillow instead because I feel like I can get the nice lavender scent all night long. So love using this one. And then before I go to bed, I'm actually going to read a chapter of this book. Like I said, I've really been trying to stay off my phone before I go to bed. So instead I've been trying to read until I get tired and fall asleep. So I'm going to go ahead and read this. Highly recommend this book. It's so good. But that is pretty much it for a healthy day in my life. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you watched until the very end, comment down below one thing that you do that makes you feel a little bit more healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.